You can't trust nobody to go into your backpack.
Yeah. Bro,
Stay
I'm
away
never
from my
taking.
backpack!
Listen, you have shitty foods, man. I'm never taking your food. I got like
I
good
don't
food
care
and shit.
about I don't care about anything in my backpack. Yeah, I care about you putting that grenade in my backpack.
No, I don't have any fucking grenade.
Anyone
Seriously.
He
got
All
does.
right.
water?
No grenade.
He has
I've got,
grenades. He has
I have
grenades.
HE grenade.
Anyone
I don't
got
have
water?
RGO grenade.
Okay,
I have
so
RGO.
drop
He has
everything on the
grenades.
ground then, and let me.
Oh,
who's shooting?
seriously, man?
No, that was
No,
Timmy. That was Timmy.
Yeah, I was putting the
By
freaking
mistake.
First person to the terminal.
I remember one.
Okay.
If you get shot,
And
All right,
I
I'll
don't really
run.
care.
I want you to know, I don't give a fuck, man.
I'll run with you,
Just run and
Mamba.
die. Just run
You're
and die.
running, buddies.
I can run 500 miles.
We ready to see the masses?
That's actually a song.
Yeah, there's about 20 sodas over here.
About 20 sodas.
Yay, man, yay.
Well,
Grab-
technically, there's only 14.
Should we pick that up?
I just picked up 4.
Yeah, yeah, picks a couple. A couple, not all of them. Damn, Castio.
I'm just gonna shoot
Is
a
that-
couple of
it
times.
used to
Maybe
mean
some will
something.
come here.
Yeah, now it's...
Shooting. 3, 2, 1.
What's he shooting at? What are you shooting at?
Caw.
Bird.
What is?
I'm bird hunting.
Love it.
Oh my god, that's ridiculous.
Let's shoot. Let's try to see if we can shoot down this crate.
Oh, no. It's not coming from Fort Terminal. Going northeast, yeah.
Damn, I heard it rolling. They're way out there.
No, it's not. It has a crate.
Yeah, it's
I don't even
adjusting
see
its
that shit.
altitude. It's adjusting its altitude according to the terrain.
Why don't I see that shit? Hanson, how can you see it? Like, I'm right next to you, I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it. I think I have way too many graphics settings.
I got too much graphic, man. Outcast? Oh yeah, it's Outcast.
Oh, GPS, I thank you. Oh, and thank you, Hans.
You know what I'm saying?
Here anyway, because I'm gonna take that op kit and give you the toolbox.
There's a player. There's a player in Kalatory.
Tigers.
In the town, yeah. He's between you and me, Edward, and Hanson and Castile. Shadow, you're closest to him. He's a nomad, so
Oh, I see him.
yeah, it's him. It's him.
Right.
Moving left to right. There's you guys.
Hit!
Dead. Got him.
Fucker. Took my kill.
Can't take what's not yours? What are you talking about?
Hell yeah, called him out.
I'm taking this guy's spaghetti.
Mom spaghetti.
User entered your channel.
God damn it, somebody just bounced the router.
Who named himself Glass Vagina? Ghost Boner.
Yeah, that's my other name.
Please change it back.
I will.
Really? Where's it at right now? Oh, I see it. Yeah. It's landing. I could shoot the pilot out. Should I try?
Yeah. If you do it, I want video of it.
Oh, it's moving now.
It's towards you though.
Yeah.
They're gonna check the crate.
I will fire when ready.
I have to check range.
Pilot's dead. Can you help?
Yeah.
I got all of them. They're all dead. Let's get to the chopper.
I'm coming. You sure they're all dead?
100% certain.
Okay. Excellent.
Nice
Yeah.
shots.
That's going up on the fucking WCD forums, right?
Yeah, did you film it?
I filmed it, yeah.
Yeah, me too. They sent it.
Nice. Alright. That was kind of awesome.
That was great. Just when the range hit, started to shoot them. I think
Yeah. Alright, I'm shutting off the engine. Do we want to loot the remains or just... Alright, yeah.
we had to get inside to get
I don't think so, but it's easier that way. You don't mind if I fly, do you?
No, I don't want to. Oh, I'm taking a katana.
Yeah. Alright, Butter. You ready
Yep,
to go?
coming.
Cool. You picked up a better rifle, right?
I have 2 on me, right?
Oh, okay, cool.